Mark Drury's gnarly encounter with one of Mother Nature's finest. How many times have you been sitting there enjoying all things outdoors when all of a sudden you have the one, the only encounter with the hit lister of all hit listers? Well, I'm Matt Drury, and this is another special edition Muddy Moment style on DoD TV. We've received a lot of great feedback so far on our newest edition here at the DoD TV studios, and I'm happy to say that we're just getting started. Not all muddy moments are defined, however, by the inches of antler at the end of a blood trail. Sometimes it's just about getting out there and letting Mother Nature do her thing and getting to experience all those magical moments. Today we link up with Mark Drury, the mad scientist, and his cameraman Wade as they head in for a late October afternoon.
Well, it got to 78 today, and there's no wind hardly at all. The front coming during the night tonight. I think tomorrow's gonna be better, but they might actually move tonight. Well, you can tell we're in a drought or Indian summer like we've been talking about. This is actually the last plot we prepared, so this is a new spot for us this year. We're pretty excited about it. Yeah, that's Gnarls. Oh, I'm killing him. He's bigger than he looks in the pictures. Hopefully he comes on out there. He's going to the pond, ain't he? Like a grunt, good night. Yeah. You didn't hear it. There he did. Yeah, bye-bye, Gnarls. We just encountered one of our shooters. A big deer that's 6.5 years old. Big giant. Huge body. I grunted at him because he can't see past this standing corn. We'll see what happens.
This just goes to show the power of positioning. With years of experience, Mark hones in on any one spot at any one time. And what he likes to do in the off season are move these muddy blinds into position that puts him in the catbird seat. I can't wait to see how Mark rounds out this story of Gnarls, and hopefully we'll be sharing another muddy moment with somebody sitting behind that big boy. As always, thank you for watching this edition of DoD TV and the special segment of Muddy Moment. Until next time, safe hunting. This segment of DoD TV is brought to you by Muddy Outdoors.